result of a very, very strong wind. Yeah, so I have to fix it. Look what's happening. So what happened is that the whole part here, this one here, is ripped off. Yeah, there's very strong wind. So to emergency fix it, I have to do it like this. So in case it rains tonight, it would not be very wet inside, and I can also protect this board here. Well, good that I just find a missing piece. It's quite good. Anyway, I find it there at the back. It's crazy wind. Anyway, cheers. I'll continue fixing this. It's very difficult for me to hold the video, but that would be great enough. Cheers. Isn't it lovely? The flowers in the window. Well, here am I now. Okay. This is where I do my meditation. Then I will have the fragrance. This is how you purge the dragon's blood. Look. Yeah. The fragrance is called the dragon's blood. So I poured the dragon's blood here. So it would be smelling wonderful. And I can imagine the universe and everything in it, and travel through the speed of thoughts. That's how you do it. And I go relax with the fragrance of the dragon's blood. Okay. And after this, I will be having some tomato, yeah, and looking forward to the future like this. Nice coming summer. Cheers, guys. Anyway, have a good day to all of you. See you sometime. Bye.